You don't need a company to build your data portfolio. I will show you exactly how you can get real-world data, build your portfolio, and attract more job offers, even if you've never worked in tech before. Hi guys, my name is rebeccaiketech. In this channel, I give out tutorials on data analytics and also give out this kind of video that will help you become the best data analyst in the world. So today, I'm going to tell you guys where you can get data, real-world data. This video is not about cargo. No, we're not talking about cargo. We're talking about real-world data that's kind of related to company data that you can work with to build your portfolio so that you can attract more job offers. So if you are interested, you want to know this website, please like, subscribe to this channel, and then let's begin. Let's be honest, in Nigeria and many other places, it's difficult to find real-world data, especially if you're not working in tech role. Companies don't want to share their data, internships are limited, and without projects, it is hard for you to get interviews. So here is the good news. You don't need to work in a company to get real-life data. There are public data online that companies actually respect if you use them well. Now, here are 5 reliable places where you can find real-world data that you can use to build your project. The first is Data.world. This website offers business-style datasets, customer churn, sales and marketing, even HR analytics datasets. And it feels like real company data. The second is National Bureau of Statistics. In this website, you can find real-life Nigerian data. So things like unemployment, inflation, and education data or statistics data. Number 3 is Google Data Search. So this one is more broad. You can get data sets from any country in the world, and remember, it's a real life data. Think of it like Google, but it's just for finding free data sets from research papers, journals, and organizations. So guys, before we continue with the 4th website, please, if you are enjoying this video, like and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. Okay, let's go to the 4th website. Number 4 is Data.gov. So the US government open data portals. In this website, you're going to find health data, business, education, and finance data. Number 5 is UCI Machine Learning Repository. This is a popular place for beginner projects. It includes structured data for customer behavior, marketing, and even HR. Now we are going to talk about project ideas you can do. Now you know where to get data. What kind of project should you do? Using data gotten from NBS, you can analyze data on unemployment in Nigeria. You can also do projects on sales report dashboard. Then you can also do projects on student performance analysis, customer churn analysis, and you can do analysis on COVID-19 trend tracker. Remember to always ask yourself, what real-world problem am I solving? So make sure that any project you want to do is solving a real-world problem. Okay, now when you are done with building your project, where should you put them? You can create GitHub repository and sample your project there. If you don't have to create a GitHub repository for a data analyst or a data scientist, I made a video on that earlier. I'll put the link over there so you can go watch after you're done watching this video to find out how exactly I gave a step-by-step guide on how you can input your project in your GitHub repository. You can also post on LinkedIn or Medium, right? Or you can even post it on YouTube, and then make sure you add the link to your portfolio, to your CV. So let's say you add the link of all this to your CV, add the link of your GitHub repository to your CV, even, or you can either add the link of your GitHub repository to your CV, or the link of your portfolio website to your CV. So make sure you add them to your CV, because it is very important, so you can impress your recruiter. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, leave comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.